Cooking snails might sound intimidating, but it can be a delightful experience. First, you need to properly clean the snails. Trust me, it's easier than it sounds. Use a mixture of salt and water to cleanse them thoroughly. They'll thank you later. Next, soaking them overnight enhances their flavor. It softens them up too. Now, let's talk about the delicious garlic butter sauce. It's a game changer. Finally, after baking, serve them garnished with fresh herbs for an incredible finish. So, take these tips and elevate your snail cooking game. You've got this!